In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export invoices from QuickBooks Online. Let's dive right in and get started on this straightforward process to make sure you're managing your invoices effectively. First, if you don't already have a QuickBooks account, you'll need to sign up. Head to the QuickBooks website and follow their on-screen instructions for signing up. If you already have an account, simply click on the Sign In option for QuickBooks Online. This will bring you to the login page where you can enter your account credentials. Remember to check the box labeled "I'm not a robot." If it appears, then click on Continue. Once you're signed in, you may encounter a security prompt asking you to enter your password again. Go ahead and do that, and then click Continue. If you have multiple company files, make sure to choose the correct one from the list before proceeding. With the right company file open, you'll find yourself on the main QuickBooks dashboard. Now that you're logged in and in the right company file, navigate towards the left-hand menu and click on Reports. Inside the Reports section, keep an eye out for the Invoice list. Click on that to dive into the details of your invoice list. You'll be presented with a report that shows all the invoices that have been generated under your account. We have an opportunity now to customize this report. Look for the Customize button, which allows you to tailor the report according to your specific needs by adding or removing columns such as invoice number, date, customer, and amount. Once you have selected your desired columns and arranged them to your preference, don't forget to click on Run Report to generate the final view. The next step is exporting this report. At the top right-hand corner, you'll spot the Export button, a crucial feature to ensure your invoices are easily accessible outside of QuickBooks. Click on that button or its accompanying Excel icon. From here, you'll have a couple of choices: Export to Excel or Export to PDF. Select the format that best suits your needs. The file containing your invoices data will download directly to your computer, allowing you to store, share, or analyze your data outside of QuickBooks. And that's it! By following these steps, you've successfully exported invoices from QuickBooks Online, making sure you have your vital data in an easy-to-handle format. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. See you in the next video.